After the exciting experience of ICT learning, I would like to remember the things I've learned during this term in the different models and challenges. It has been an adventure through new technologies, learning of a lot of different tools, as for example those you can see on the slideshow. Okay, the first thing we learned was to create an e-portfolio where we explain all the activities we did in every module. And in this way, the subject was divided into 5 modules. 0 includes 3 activities. The first one was to create a video presentation in which you had to tell things about you. The second activity, we had to create an account in Twitter to disseminate all our works. And the third one is an infographic to distinguish our personal learning environment and our personal learning network. One called Search, Filter, Analyze and Create. We worked with Pinterest. We create a collaborative board called OpenCLIL, where each person in class shared their activities and ideas, and we also create a list sends to our e-portfolio. Next module, the module 2, called Evaluate and Prototype a CLIL e-project. We had to evaluate an e-project, in my case called Across the Music, to create later our own prototype e-project. In this way, we have a reference to do it well by our own. Okay, and here you can see my final e-project prototype about the 5 senses of our body. The next activity was very fun because it's create a video challenge using our smartphones, and we joined it with Movie Maker. We did it to record the sense of our storyboard we've previously created. This third activity was a collaborative slideshow that supports learners. It is a presentation which explains how Canva tools works, because, as I said before, children was going to create a poster with Canva tools. The next module was the module 4, Augmented World Book Day. It's about the World Book Day, in which we had to do a presentation about what type of reader we are. We also create an aura with our Erasmus tool, and you can see how it works in my e-portfolio. In the next module, the module 5, called Assessment, we had to create a rubric, as you can see in the slideshow, to assess e-projects and with Quick Rubrics tool. The last thing I want to speak about is my favorite challenge, which is Chocotoll, because we had worked in a collaborative way and it was very exciting for me. Finally, my favorite tools are Powtoon, Genially and Aurasma. It has been a pleasure to work with all of you. Nice to meet you, and I'm always going to remember you.
Created using Powtoon.